Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alright, time for channel shout out. Canteen of choosing. Little pre-mix. Get in there. Oh, oh, I already know who it is. That would be Mr. Singing Toad. I'll show you his channel sticker. So here's his sticker. If you like knife videos, he's been, that's primarily what he does, knife videos. Real cool guy. I guess he's been working a lot on a new job, so he hasn't been uploading as often. But he's still got some pretty sweet content. Right next to Mad Dog Survival, Outdoors and Things, in Lower Michigan, hiking and camping. Good dudes.
Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So all the information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, the video is usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget, also 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders, saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.